What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. I went to the card shop today. I know 2018 score just came out, but I was like, for $10 more, why don't I just pick up a box of Contenders draft picks? For $10 more, 2 more autos, and who doesn't like Contenders, you know? So yeah, let's bust into this. Actually, I'm gonna pause the video real quick and I'll be back right when I take the wrapper and everything off. So 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Here it is. 6 packs per box. Each pack has an autograph in it, so it should be fun. Hopefully we pull a big name. The draft is happening soon. Let's see who Dallas picks. I will have a video up once Dallas's pick is up. So yeah, first pack. Hopefully we don't hear anything in the background. I forgot what I pulled. I know I opened 2017 box of this last year. I forgot what I got. So we got Joe Namath, Nick Saban, Deshaun Watson, Ted Hendricks, Jeremy Shockey, Andrew Luck. The first auto is going to be Dalton Schultz, tight end out of Stanford. Why does every box I see of this open, this guy gets pulled, it seems. I have no idea how good he is, but still got 5 packs to go, so we're gonna see if he gets drafted at all. I think, what is he, 6'6", 242. Got Nyheim Hines, Dante Pettis, Collegiate Connection, James Washington, Mason Rudolph, school colors, Luke Falk, old school colors, Herschel Walker, got Kareem Hunt, Carson Wentz, Mike Rozier, Deion Sanders, Russell Wilson, Jabril Peppers. Get that crap out of here. Jabril Peppers. 1 pick in his whole career, I believe, and it was against Ohio State. Unfortunately, second pack, let's try and speed things up. I'm calling it now. I'm going to pull a Tom Brady. You know what I'm going to do. We have Mac Brown, Colt McCoy, Texas, funny. Patrick Mahomes, Dante Foreman, Todd Gurley, Billy Cannon. Next autos, Trey Quinn from SMU, wide receiver, 6 foot 202. Yeah, looks like Cole Beasley. Take a quick look at him. Well, he's not no Cortland Sutton, that's for sure. So yeah, 2 players who might not get drafted. He'll probably get drafted, but Sam Darnold, game day, Nick Chubb, Collegiate Connection, Deion Kane, Nate Washington. I said Nate Washington. Deshaun Watson, Lamar Jackson, school colors. If I could pull the cracked dice of this, I'll be very happy. Red Grange, old school colors. Adam Thielen, Larry Fitzgerald. I think I pulled a Larry Fitzgerald parallel in last year's box. Christian McCaffrey, Elliott, Vince Young. I don't know why he's in here. Julio Jones. I think in the box I bought, all my autos were base. Pretty sure. Third pack, Marcus Mariota, Dan Marino, Red Grange, Emmett Smith, Troy Aikman. Oh, we got a redemption. That might be good. Johnny Rogers. We're going to save that for later. Could be bad. I don't know who has redemptions in here. Jalen Samuels, game day. Royce Freeman, game day. Deontay Burnett, Juju on the beat. Collegiate connection. Calvin Ridley, school colors. He might be a Cowboys pick later. Bo Jackson, old school colors. Cam Newton, Michael Thomas, best receiver 2 years ago draft. D.D. Westbrook, my favorite receiver from last year's draft. Should be starting this season. Ron Dane, bust. J.J. Watt, Aaron Rodgers. Who knows what that autograph is, but hopefully it says parallel. Fourth pack. Barry Sanders, Marcus Allen, Dakota, Randy Moss, Earl Campbell, Tony Dorsett, and Joe Washington. It's old school? I have no idea. This is obviously old school. Bold ticket. Sorry for the glare. 63/99. Who is this dude? He won 2 national championships, 74, 75. Twice finished in the top 5 Heisman. He became the 4th pick in the 76 draft. You hear people in the background. That's cool. I'm gonna have to look into him. It's kind of cool. It's different. Gotta hurry this up. Mike White, game day. DJ Chark, game day. Sam Darnold, Ronald Jones. I think he's the best running back in this draft. Sammy Cobbs, I really like him. He's one of my top receivers. John Elway, old school colors. Steve Spurrier, Jason Witten, Amari Cooper, Le'Veon Bell, Clay Matthews, Ozzie Newsome. Sorry if I'm taking forever, guys. Just anticipating a big pull. 5th pack, John Elway, Billy Sims, Dez Bryant. Heard he just turned down a Ravens offer. Terry Bradshaw, Jerry Rice, Antonio Brown. Gonna slow roll it. Marcus Davenport. He's supposed to be a 1st round pick. Maybe top 10. Marcus Davenport. All these autographs are on the sticker. That one's like going off the sticker, but that's cool. Christian Kirk, I hope Dallas does not draft him. DJ Moore, I wouldn't mind him. Him or Calvin Ridley. Naheem Hines, Jalen Samuels, Darius Geis, school colors. What did I say? Here he is. Goodbye. Dick Butkus, Khalil Mack, Charles White, Mitchell Trubisky, Derek Carr, Sean Alexander. And the last pack before we look at that redemption. Pray for me, guys. That is something big. Major Applewhite. Cool name. Corey Davis, Peyton Manning, Drew Brees. I was about to say I thought this was the auto. This is going to be a parallel. Steve Spurrier out of 99. Slide for the glare. Bold ticket. Let me put this so we can slow roll the autograph. Chase Litton, quarterback from Marshall. What kind of autograph is that? Okay, I'll let that slide, I guess. 6'6", 232. So, yeah. Bo Scarborough, Saquon Barkley, Anthony Miller, Riley Ferguson, connections, Nick Chubb, school colors, Dakota old school colors, Jameis Peterson for net, Clay Helton, Odell, Von Miller. So we're gonna see what this redemption is about. We're gonna use this. I don't know why this is just here. I don't know if you guys seen that already. Ooh, cracked ice. Actually, I don't want to use that. Cracked ice variation C. Cracked ice is number 23, I believe. Card 114. Oh, Deion Kane, wide receiver for Clemson. Maybe a second round pick. So yeah, wish it was better, but that's cool, I guess. It's gonna look nice at least. Hopefully he signs soon. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and yeah, until next time, I hope everyone likes the picks that their team makes. So yeah, until next time, guys. Peace.